Hello there. I'm gonna just try to share my experience with COVID-19 testing at Chak Angre Health Center. I wanna share it at TED Talk, but they wouldn't let me do it, so I'm gonna do it my Bob Talk channel. You could like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell for more information. Well, we're scheduled to go, and that's the place that you could go get a free COVID-19 testing. It's free. So after 13th day of your quarantine, there's no appointment needed. You have to get there early in the morning, and you could use Pass app or get there. We went there actually
Hello.
And this is the front. And as you enter, they're gonna keep you 6 feet apart by that drawing the line. The registration begins at 9 a.m. So you could go there and bring your passport, of course, and all the information. They will not. You cannot hand over the passport. They will actually take photo of it because they don't want to touch anything that you bring. And then you must have a working local telephone number because they're not gonna send you anything. You cannot get certificate here. Once again, you cannot get certificate here. So take a selfie for proof, just in case that you're there. And their procedure is you register, you wait for the test, and after you take test, if they don't call you within 48 hours, it means that result is negative. So if they call you in, you're in trouble. But if they don't call you, you're clear. But because you cannot get certificate, you want to make sure that you're okay with that. Because if you need COVID-19 test certificate, it will cost you 130, I heard, and you must get it at Khmer, Soviet, French, or Russian hospital, which is located, and you could look it up. So what? So you could wait there, but why wait hour under the sun? So that I asked, can we go to a coffee shop near? They said, so as you exit the clinic, you make right turn, heading north, I guess, and then it's only really a 5 minute walk past this Australian Center for Education, and pretty soon gas station
All
and
right.
wait for Amazon. So, and it's quite nice place. Inside as well, air conditioning. And because the testing begins at 10, we just went there and they actually gather the people inside based on the time that you registered. So earlier you register, they'll call your name first, and then you line up in front of the clinic. By the time actually where we lined up, it became quite long lines. So I think it's best that you go there earlier and register sooner, and they will call you earlier that way. So I was the third guy that they called, and they will hand over this little kit with your name on it, handwritten. So make sure that you keep it, and then they'll call you one by one. I heard my friend scream because they do two swab testing. They use the Q-tip. One is to your mouth, second one is through your nose. And nose was pretty painful actually, just like you experience in airport. They stick it pretty deep. I don't know why, but yeah, two guys involved testing, but it will be done quite quickly. So just remember that this is non-certificate testing area. It's free, but if you need a certificate for whatever the reason, then you need to go to Russian hospital. And if they don't call you, then you're clean. If they call you, you're in trouble. So let's pray that no one will call you for the next 48 hours after you're done. All right, guys, thank you for watching.